Respected teachers and my dear friends, I am Adidev Deepak. Today I would like to speak about Indian Air Force Day. Every year, the Indian Air Force Day is celebrated on 8th October. The Indian Air Force is the air arm of Indian military. The motto of Indian Air Force is Nabas Pasham Deebam from Bhagavad Gita, which means touch the sky with glory. The Indian Air Force was established by British Empire on 8th October 1932. Its primary mission is to secure the Indian airspace. The Indian Air Force is fourth largest air force in the world. The President of India is the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Air Force. The Indian Air Force Day is celebrated with zeal and pride at all Air Force stations all over the country. The Indian Air Force Day is celebrated to increase the awareness about the Indian Air Force. Jai Hind!
Namaskar, good morning. Myself Diksha. Today, October 8th, Indian Air Force Day. The Indian Air Force Day was established by British Empire. The Indian Air Force is the air arm of Indian military. The motto of Indian Air Force is touch the sky with glory. Indian Air Force is also known as Bharatiya Vayu Sena. Its primary mission is to secure Indian airspace. The President of India is the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Air Force. Thank you.
Indian Air Force Day.
Indian Air Force Day is celebrated on 8th October every year. The Indian Air Force Day was established by British Empire on 8th October 1932. The Indian Air Force is the iron arm of the Indian military. Its primary mission is to secure Indian airspace.
Indian Air Force is the fourth largest air force after USA, Russia and China. The President of India is the Commander-in-Chief of Indian Air Force. The Chief of Air Staff with the rank of Air Chief Marshal is the Commander. This day is celebrated with zeal and pride at various Air Force stations all over the country. Indian Air Force Day is celebrated to spread more about Indian Air Force.
Let us understand overall uniform in the Indian Air Force. This uniform is the general working dress of Indian Air Force.
This uniform is worn on ceremonial parades, Independence Day, Republic Day and other various parades. This uniform will be worn while receiving or seeing President of India and also functions at Rashtrapati Bhavan.
The uniform is to be worn on occasions which are formal.
This uniform is pre and post natural uniform for lady officers.
This uniform for summer mess dress.
This is the suit worn by pilots. Air Force Police is assigned with the duty of protecting the campus in and out.
Indian Air Force salute open arm at 45 degree to the ground.
Wishing a very happy Indian Air Force Day to the Indian Air Force personnel who work day and night to keep our country safe. Thank you.